Welcome back to Built for Operators. This week is our new territories builder. Building territories can be a total nightmare. In RSL, we've actually simplified that so anyone can do it, even someone in marketing. You can access it in settings. You can go to territory plans. Here's a list of territories we've already defined. Let's go ahead and create a new territory plan. You get an AI prompt, as you'd imagine. And in the prompt, we can put what we want. So I can state in natural language, create me a plan for West Coast accounts over 1,000 employees. I want Kamina to have accounts starting with A through M, and I want Kevin to have accounts starting N through Z. So I'm just going to kick it off, and RSL is going to build me it. So it's going to take my natural language prompt. It's then going to start thinking, how do I build this in RSL? It's going to look at all the objects, all the relationships. Obviously, RSL has account and contact data, so we're able to pull all that information natively. And now it's going to build me my territory plan. So in a few seconds, the plan will be ready and we can take a look. There we go. Our plan is complete. You can see it's built the following territories. You can see the assignment rules and the plan is there. So we can go take a look at it, which is here. And you can see, here's the plan. So we got about 32,000 accounts total in RSL, but the ones that actually matched being over 1,000 employees and started with A through M and N through Z. If I click overview, you can see only 44 accounts matched the first territory, and the second was 4. So now what we can do is we can go to our account list in RSL, which is here, West Coast Enterprise A through M. And you can see, here's all my enterprise accounts with over 1,000 employees. You can see it's assigned Kamina there as the owner. And if we go to the second account list for our second rep, you can see there's just 4 accounts for Kevin Wong. So you can see N through Z. You can see all these are N through Z. So that matches there. Finally, what we can do is if you don't use AI or natural language, we've actually got a wizard. So you can go back to territory plans, you can click new, and you can create one from scratch. So for example, here, I can just add a territory manually, and I can give it a name. Let's call it named accounts. I can give it a territory manager. So I can make Tom the manager, and I'm going to assign these accounts to Lily. And I can make it super simple. So I could just say, this is a named account list. So I'm going to add Best Buy. I'm going to add Target, and then I'm going to add United Airlines. So a simple account list, named account list, and I can add territories that way. So I can do it manually through a wizard, or I can use AI and can give it a prompt and it's going to build it. And better still, if I want to add any of these territory plans, I can just go in, click Ask RSL and change it with whatever I want. So that's territory plans built for operators.